Hello everyone, right, another video for you. So we've got 3 more packages turned up with our Funkos. Like we said in the last video, we've got a Funko shop we're building up ready for our Funko stream this Friday. So Lucy, if you stand around there, we'll have a look and see what is in this first box. So we've ordered all our stock online. Let's see what Funkos we have, and what I'm going to do is, while we're on camera, I'm going to set up this spinny majiggy. And then Lucy can show them as we pull stuff out, yeah? Mm-hmm. Right, so first one we have is...
Oh, that looks nice.
Mighty 4. Get you down here. Special edition Mighty 4. There we go, let me get this going the other way. Check that out. Not bad, eh?
Box is nice as well,
Yeah.
condition.
Nice condition, Mighty 4 Special Edition 1076. Then we've got Valkyrie, and these are from the 4 Love and Thunder series. Really nice condition boxes, really nice pops. 1042. And then we have Mike, M-E-M-I-E-K.
He's cool.
Mike 1045 from the 4 Love of Thunder. Get stand back a bit, baby. Are you on 0.5?
No, 1. This is a better one.
Got that one there. And we have Heimdall from the same series. Where did I put my vape? Any idea where my vapes have disappeared to? All disappeared. All my stuff has disappeared. Down there, at least, right in front of you. Right, so that's those 4 there. Right, if you stand back loose, look what we're doing. We have another parcel box here. Wonder which ones these are. We'll try and open these without damaging the box, because I'm using these boxes to recycle to send my pops out for anyone who wins. Okay, let's have a look.
That's a shoe box.
Yep, let's have a look. So we have Red Dagger from the same series. How cool is that? Really nice condition box, everyone. You can see there, it's absolutely pristine. And that's Disney Marvel Studios Miss Marvel.
Look at his face.
Then we have Star Wars Anakin Skywalker. Number 698, pristine box. Remember guys, all of these pops will be in our first Funko show, hopefully this Friday. We have the close auctions that run Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday around 3 PM every day. And I will be running Funko shows every evening, Monday to Friday, around 6 o'clock onwards. For around half an hour, depending on how busy the stream is. If it's busy, I'll keep on. If it's quiet, we'll come off. So there we go, there's Anakin Skywalker.
Oh, I love the next one.
Next we have Aquaman.
He's cool.
How nice is that? Got a little, if you see here, got a little tiny tail in the corner there, and a little tiny push there. Apart from that, absolutely mint. Aquaman. And then we have Doctor Strange Funko Speciality Series.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Really, really nice Funko. That Speciality Series there. Little push on the box there. Other than that,
Good condition.
yeah, just that little push. Nothing major, is it? So that's those 4. And it looks like we've got a couple in a box here. Losing everything.
I know you do. You're a nightmare.
I'll open this without damaging the box too much. So we need to keep them. Boys, I've got to pay for boxes. Oh, I can see. Trying to get this address out. Okay. Now we have Looney Tunes
Oh.
Diamond Collection Special Edition Bug Bunnies in the fruit hat, and it's all metallic, guys. Check that out.
Oh, that's so nice.
Lovely, isn't it? And you got little tiny crease there at the back. Other than that, Diamond Collection Special Edition Looney Tunes 80 Years of Bugs Bunny. How nice is that?
Very, very nice.
And the last one for today's Funko is She-Hulk Glows in the Dark Special Edition Funko. Little tiny crease at the side there. Other than that, she's looking tip top. There now. We back on. And you got the She-Hulk there. 1, 1, 2, 6. Okay guys, that's a glow in the dark special edition She-Hulk Funko, right Luce? So, hope you enjoyed that. That's some of the Funkos that we got coming. Like I say, we're building up our shop so we can give the best pops to you guys at the best prices. Run auctions, run games, and hopefully have our first Funko auction this Friday. Take care guys, and I'll see you on the next one.